Hey, I'm Alexandra Harbushka. Today we're gonna talk about this Reviver soap. Like, I wish you could smell it. All right, we're gonna talk about it. Okay, so I've been speaking recently on the Secret Society wellness products. I've been talking about the oils, the balms, the soaks. And when I asked you guys on social media and also here, like, which one's your favorite or do you know about it? And you replied, like, I don't really know about it. So I thought, okay, I need to fill you in. I've also had lots of people write me and say, can you do videos so I can know how to use the products or what they're about? Let me just give you a quick little brief history on the Secret Society Wellness. It was something that took over a year to work on the formulations. They are, naturally made. They are natural ingredients. I launched the first product in 2019. So it's been a really fun project and we have different products we've come out. One of them is the Reviver soap. And the reason why I was getting a lot of people saying like, hey, what should I use when I have an outbreak in the shower or in the bath? Like, should I use different soap? Should I use the same soap? How do I clean it? So that's why we created this Reviver soap. It is handmade. There are essential oils, eucalyptus and peppermint. It has a nice little like spa like smell, as well as like a nice little like refreshing feeling when you use it. 70% of what goes on our body, we actually absorb. So there's a lot of soaps, lotions, other things out there that when we apply them to our body, it leaves them dry, itchy, dehydrates our skin, and that's not what we want at all, right? We wanna hydrate our skin. We wanna work on things that are anti-inflammatory, things that soothe our skin, things that help repair our skin, soothe wounds, clean wounds, things like that. So that's why we have this Reviver soap. Not to mention there's also 150 milligrams of CBD in here. So CBD is great for anti-inflammatory. So when we have an outbreak, it's inflamed. It's also great for pain. So we know that when we have an outbreak, we get the itchies, the tingles, and sometimes a lot of nerve pain. This will help. We're putting it all over our body, which also just helps zen us out, helps with our mood, but also directly to the outbreak, it'll help with the pain. Yeah, I love this. I use it in my shower and it's really great when you have an outbreak. So I have it linked for you. You can order it. Enjoy it, the Reviver soap. Seriously, you will not take another bath without a handmade soap. Seriously.